Thank you for the introduction. Thank you for joining us again. Today we have another delicious and sweet episode. Today we're doing MrBeast Chocolate Bars. Whoa! We have two of them here. We have the milk chocolate and we have the MrBeast Crunch. Wow, we'll be taking a look at the MrBeast Crunch Bar today. Hey, we don't just take a look at things here, we also eat them. You want that one? Should we take a bite out of the MrBeast Crunch first? You can take a bite out of this one. Look at those little crunchy things. Thumb up! That's the best sign of approval from a little one, let me tell you. It's a thumbs up. And this one says MrBeast Bar. This one is milk chocolate, and this one is a crunchy one, and it has what it calls puffed rice. You know what? Let me take a bite. Delightful. Here, let's continue. Let me put down. You can have that one. Okay, folks, we're just eating chocolate here. Let's get going. There's 5X. What do you think about that? He's eating too much chocolate, folks. Let's give him a second. So it's the milk chocolate or the chocolatey portion that we're looking at. I think I see one of these puffed rice pebbles or whatever they are next to it. Oh, which one do you prefer right now?
I like this one.
Yeah, he likes the milk chocolate. They're both yummy. Hey, so there's the 5X. There's a broken piece of this chocolatey portion and what appears to be a puffed rice.
It's down there.
Yeah, but we can't see it too closer, but we can solve that problem. Let's go to 10X and view it up close. 10X, here we come. Whoa, there's 10X. Now we can really see the different shapes, the different pieces of that chocolate. Yeah, we took a bite and it's broken.
Now I have the answer.
What's the answer?
It looks like a rock.
It looks like a rock. It does look like a rocky-ish thing. Many things look like rock up close. You'll have to excuse us. We both love chocolate. So there's a tag. Looks like different pieces cracked when we took bites. And so very interesting. And there's a little piece that appears to be the puffed rice. But we can't still see too much. I think we need to go to 20X. What do you think? 20X, here we go. Whoa, there's that big. Wow, look at the texture on that. You see how it's...
It looks like a bigger rock.
It looks like a bigger rock. Yeah, there's nice little grooves and bumps on that chocolate. It must be those little pieces of puffed rice. If we read the ingredients, it says it has corn, sugar, cocoa butter, puffed rice. Yeah, interesting. Very delicious. May I try some of this milk chocolate one? Chocolate is my weakness, folks. Chocolate is my weakness. I will gladly admit that. So there it is at 20X. Very delicious. Hey, you know what would be awesome and delicious as well? If you hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead and smash it! Please smash those buttons, folks. We really thank you for your support. So there's the 20X. We're doing mostly eating today. So let's go to the final frontier because that crack is really starting to look like a mini candy.
I cannot buy anymore.
You cannot buy anymore. You silly Billy. You just unwrap it there and you take your big bite. Wow, we just ate dinner, folks. This could be dangerous giving them sugar afterwards. But you have to live a little.
But you have to live a little.
You're raising me. 50X, final frontier. Let's look at that mini chocolate canyon. Whoa, look at that. Now we can really see that crack is much bigger. What do you think is inside that crack?
Lava.
Lava! It could be that. You never know, folks. Maybe there's a chocolate lava inside. Wow, that's really awesome. So, there you have it, everyone. So which one was your favorite now that you've tried both many times? You prefer the milk chocolate one? I think my personal favorite is this crunch one. Yep, I like that one, but they're both delicious. So there you have it, folks. MrBeast, if you're watching this, I approve of this one. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Thank you for joining us again, and we ate our chocolate. Join us
Again, and we're